welcome back to Lizzi's Corner. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hope you like my videos and I hope you subscribe. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. Right guys, in my last video I said I was going to touch a little bit more on the beauty aspect of my channel. So today I'm going to kind of do like a mini tutorial and a review of my makeup revolution that I got. I did a poll on Instagram a while back and you guys said I should do a mini tutorial and review on it. So you guys are getting your video. Hope you guys like this video. It's going to be short. It just, you guys can tell I've already done my eyebrows off camera because I'm like, if I try to do them on camera I'll probably just mess them all up. So I decided to do them off camera. And by the way guys, keep in mind I am no makeup artist. This is just me doing what I do. I might do things the wrong way or not in the same order as some people, but oh well, everybody's different, so this is the way I apply my makeup. So yeah, anyway guys, let's get right into the video. Right, I'm gonna be holding my mirror. Yes. So I'm gonna be holding my mirror. So the first thing I'm gonna obviously do, because I've already done my eyebrows and everything, is use my foundation. So yeah, this is the new foundation that I got, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I got it in F13. I don't know if you guys can see that, but F13. You know, the only thing is when I was getting online I wasn't sure which one to get, because obviously it's only available online. So I went on Beauty Bay to actually get it, and to be fair, it matched my skin tone pretty good. Because I was like, oh my goodness, sometimes the picture they have on there might not be like, you know, exactly the same, might not be what they're saying it's going to be, but it actually matches my skin tone, so that's good. And the description as well is good. F13, let me just grab my phone real quick. F13, I'm trying to get the description for you guys so that you guys are able to, like, you know, get what I mean when I say like the description is really nice. Like they match the description. And they've got some new products out that I actually want to try, like their matte foundation. And on Beauty Bay it's actually £5. Makeup Revolution matte base foundation, and that too is full coverage, and it's £5. And I'm like, whoo, I feel like I'm gonna try it. We'll see. I haven't finished this one, and I mean their product is good. To be honest, I feel like people don't give it enough, like, you know, recognition that they're supposed to. But yeah. Anyway, so F13. Right, it says for medium. What's that? Excuse me. Yeah, it says for medium / dark skin tones with a golden undertone. And yes, so I'm just gonna go in with it. Gotta get my. Right, so here we go. I just kind of, you know, apply it everywhere. Go back in some. This is literally all I do. Like me, this is me just applying it everywhere. And then I do that first, so I put this first layer on first, and then I kind of see if I need more. So I just go in with my brush. I actually got this brush set from AliExpress. I'll see if I can still find the link. If not, I'll try and find a similar one and link it down below. But I did get the makeup brush set from AliExpress like 1.5 years ago, and then I just, you know, and I also make sure to do it down my neck as well, just so it doesn't look like I have a different shade like on my face to my neck. So I kind of just tip it down a little bit just so that my neck can get a little bit of it, of the foundation. But yeah, that's literally all I do. So I'm just going to move a bit closer to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's with the first layer as well. So I might just go into it with a little bit more foundation, just a little bit. I don't want too much because this is kind of like a everyday kind of look that I'm going for. I don't want to put too much on. So I just put that amount on. Oh, and oh yeah guys, I'm starting to record with my camera that I said I was gonna start recording with on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me at lizziexcorner. So yeah, I decided to use the camera because I used the camera to take some pictures like literally I think on Tuesday, and I was like, whoa, this is so good, like the quality is so good, and I was like, let me up my game on YouTube and give people the best of my videos and everything. So I decided to start recording with my camera, which is what you guys are seeing right now. So and then I go in and I light under my eye and everything. So I go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I got this in, I'm pretty sure it's a shade 12. Yes, C12. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, C12. That's why I decided to get it in. So I just kind of go in like that. And I also put some in my T-zone, so that. Yeah, and I go in with this little sponge to go in, as you can see it's dirty, like I need to get a new one, but yeah, I go in with that and I use it to blend it in. This is literally when I do my makeup, like I just start. I either start singing or I just, put a tune in my head and be singing that tune out. But right now the song is not coming to my head, so the tune will just have to do. So yeah guys, so after I do that, I kind of just conceal it and I light it like that. After that, I go in with my, it's kind of gone off, but it is my collection powder. I go in with that just to bake with it. So I'm just going to open that up. Trying to open this is such a hassle. We got it open. So I go in with this brush, not some brush, this sponge, and I like dab it in. And grab some. Up. And I do this for every aspect of my face that I just So yeah guys, I use this for my contour and it's actually from Primark actually. I got it, I was like, let me just try it out and see how it goes. So I've actually been using that from Primark. It's been a while that I've had it. And I got this from Collection, the highlighting contour kit and all of that. So I also go in with this, which is the contour. So I'm just going to open it up for you guys. So you've got the highlighter on this side, that side right there, and you've got the contour here. So yeah. So what I do, I first of all go in with this, and so yeah guys, I just go in like that, and then I get my brush. Why do I keep saying brush? I get my sponge, my little, it's no beauty blender, but a copy of beauty blender. I get that, and I just like I said, sometimes I do go over it with this one, but today I'm just not going to, because like I said, it's an everyday look and it's not over the top makeup today. I'm not trying to do over the top. I'm just gonna just a little bit. And then after that I get my other brush and I just literally swoop all of this off. I get, this is a powder, I actually got this powder from the local S store, and it's called BF Beauty Forever Makeup, and it's in the shade Caramel. I've been using it for a while, as you can tell. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over everything with this to kind of seal everything in. All I do. Obviously if I was to do my eyeshadow, I'll just put my eyeshadow on, but because this is a like everyday look, I'm not going to put any eyeshadow on, because I don't put eyeshadow on for just literally going down the street or something like that, or just going down the town. I don't do that. So yeah, this is literally it. And then I just go in with my mascara. I do actually want to get a new mascara, but this is my mascara for now, because I'm not really liking the way this is. Oh, before I forget, so after my mascara, I use my highlighter, and this is from Collection, and it's a Collection highlighter, and it's the roll-on type of highlighter where you roll it and everything. So I've got quite a bit left in there. So all I do to put my highlighter on, this is what I do. So I just smile so I can see my cheekbones and see where everything is. And I do that. Do my nose. Do this little here. And then I get my small brush and I kind of blend it in so that it doesn't leave a line. And that is pretty it. That's all I do, guys, for my makeup. Guys, that's literally all I do for my makeup. I'll just be right back. So guys, this is literally it for my everyday makeup tutorial and my little makeup revolution review. Like I said, guys, before, I'm no makeup artist. This is literally just what I do. And that took me like maybe 10-15 minutes, everything. So yeah, guys, I really love this too. Like, seriously, I'm in love with it. Even when I used it, my cousin was like, whoa, she has to get it, because I used it the first day that I went for my cousin's graduation, one of my cousin's graduation, and when she saw me use it, she was like, whoa, like, where did I get it from? She's gonna order one when her foundation is finished. Like, it's so good, guys. And you honestly don't feel like you're wearing makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup. And I remember the first time I used it and everything, like halfway through the day I was doing this, like rubbing on my face, literally forgetting that I had makeup on, and I was like, whoa. But it actually stayed on. Like, it was non-moving, it was fantastic, and it's still fantastic. So I'm definitely going to be getting some more. Like I said, I think I might try the I might try the matte foundation and see how that goes. The new product that they've got out, I might try it. But so far, this two winners. Like, yes. So go grab yourself some if you haven't, and let me know how you guys get on. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.